Hi, my name is Graham. I'm from Health Clubs Australia, and this little clip is about brand awareness. What is the effect of brand awareness? If somebody new comes into your area, will they know your brand? That's what we mean by brand awareness. Now, if you belong to a large franchise or chain, something like Anytime, chances are that that person will already know about you. But if you belong to Joe's Fitness Centre in Modbury, and somebody comes from outside a 4-kilometre radius of that area, the chances that they will know about your fitness centre is very slim. Now, they may do some research and find your centre, but them arriving, knowing about your centre is very slim. On the other hand, Anytime will already have that kind of brand awareness where, you know, Joe Bloggs off the street is going to know that you exist. This is a massive advantage of being part of such a large organisation. So for independent clubs, creating that level of brand awareness is very expensive and almost impossible to create as a single club. So how does a large franchise chain create this level of brand awareness? What are the advantages that they have over independents? Ubiquity. There are so many of them. If you are a member of Anytime, then there's 400 clubs. Not yet, but they're coming. So they're everywhere. Every single corner of every city has an Anytime Fitness. So it doesn't matter where you travel, you're going to see them, you're going to see their logo, you're going to see their colours. So when you come into a new area, you're already expecting to see them. And you will be able to recognise them as soon as you do, from their colour, from their logo. So finding them is going to be very, very easy, even if you don't go searching for them. They have enormous marketing power. Each club, each of those 400 clubs is going to be spending a certain amount of money marketing themselves. And when they're marketing themselves, they're also marketing you, because you are Anytime as well. So every time they put that name out there, every time they push their brand, which is your brand, out into the marketplace, they are marketing for you in some small way. So you times that across Australia and all of their friends and all their acquaintances, and you've got this massive brand marketing going on. Social media increases this exponentially. So you've got all your members at your club and you're doing your social media strategy very well, and everybody in your club is chit-chat-chattering away on Facebook about your club. So all of their friends are hearing about how good Joe's Fitness is. And this is all very good. So you've got, 500, 1,000 people talking about Joe's Fitness and talk to all their friends. Now multiply that by 400. There's a 400-fold increase in the number of people talking about Joe's Fitness. That's a massive, massive viral campaign that you've created without any effort. So because Joe Average on the street, to them, Anytime is just one entity. It exists in 400 places, but it is one entity. They don't see it as individual clubs. They see it all as one entity. And that is the power of their brand. That is the power of belonging to something bigger than just one club. So add to that the combined marketing budget. So that everybody pulls a little bit of their marketing budget, it allows large chains, large franchises to use media that is out of the scope of small independents, or independents in general, even large ones. The use of TV advertising, that's quite expensive, but it has huge reach, and if you are dealing nationally, it's a great value for money. Radio, that's can be used by independents as well. The big one is social media now within a certain demographic, because if you're interested in fitness and you're on Facebook, anytime it's going to be popping up in the margins all over. Why? Because they pay for that. They pay for that, and it costs big money. But it's incredible, because people spend so much time on Facebook, and the only fitness things that you see there are Anytime, because they're the only ones really that can afford that level of swamping on the media. So there's a massive advantage to them, added to their already massive advantage in social media. So brand awareness, really difficult for independent clubs. Outside of a 2 kilometre radius, probably nobody even knows of you. So creating brand awareness is a numbers game. If you want that level of exposure, you want to be able to, for people to know about you without you ever marketing, then you need that kind of level of brand awareness. And you can only get it from being part of something bigger. And that's where Health Clubs Australia can help. That's where we are. We are creating a brand that everybody can belong to and that we can all market together. If you want to know more, it's www.healthclubsaust.com. Thanks for listening.